on Jabena, yet Choba, Jet Hotebi, Winter Toki. Opening what the talking I say, but I'm going to give me safe. We'll talk about it on this edition because this is the time for us to spot the imperialism before all Iberiberism on a very good day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. But we must continue to appreciate life. I said that the best thing in life is life itself. The fact that the best thing. It is a miracle that you and we are here today. So we must celebrate the King of Kings and Lord of Lords for that feat. Nela will say, Kunye, Yotago, what is your move? Or maybe fish or email for the day. Nena for the sunlight right now, or Bulla Belly and Nakwal again. Akoko oti boju, but we'll get into the celebration in a jiffy because right about Ketafu, I went DK, I get celebrated this morning, and it's about time. Get involved because this party right here is your party. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. We name and number of the person you want to celebrate, and it is celebration galore up in here right about Ketafu. On the US, when I observe, when I say before Donald Trump became president, now black people are then, TV, CNN, news, now watch news or cable network news anywhere. Now how they meet. But the man remains, an epitome of, inspiration. Now inspire people every time. They motivate to on a very good day because no matter if Melia or actually we convert if I go or you full load to a similar make sense at the end of the day. As an order, we're going to do to